Artificial intelligence, AI, has undoubtedly transformed the way we live, work, and interact with technology. It has become an integral part of our daily lives, from voice assistants in our smartphones to advanced algorithms powering recommendation systems in self-driving cars. As AI continues to advance and permeate various industries, questions surrounding its ethical development and use have gained prominence. In this discourse, we delve into the complex landscape of AI ethics, exploring the challenges that arise in the responsible development of AI technologies and the imperative of navigating these challenges to ensure a future where AI aligns with human values and societal well-being. The ethical considerations associated with AI development are multifaceted and extend beyond mere technicalities. They encompass questions of fairness, accountability, transparency, privacy, bias, and the potential impact on employment and society as a whole. At the heart of AI ethics is the need to balance technological advancement with ethical principles, ensuring that AI systems benefit humanity and do not inadvertently harm individuals or communities. One of the fundamental challenges in AI ethics is fairness. Bias and discrimination in AI systems have been widely documented, stemming from biased training data, algorithmic design, or the data used to fine-tune models. These biases can perpetuate stereotypes and disproportionately impact marginalized groups. Recognizing and addressing these biases is essential to create AI systems that treat all individuals fairly and equitably. Achieving fairness in AI development requires a thorough understanding of how bias can manifest and a commitment to mitigating these issues through rigorous testing and evaluation. Another critical dimension of AI ethics is accountability. Who is responsible when an AI system makes a decision that has adverse consequences? Is it the developer, the user, or the AI system itself? Establishing clear lines of responsibility and accountability in AI is a challenging task. Ensuring accountability necessitates a legal and ethical framework that defines the roles and responsibilities of various stakeholders, from developers and operators to policymakers and regulators. It also calls for mechanisms to hold these actors accountable when AI systems cause harm. Transparency is a crucial aspect of AI ethics. The so-called black box problem, where AI systems make decisions that are difficult to interpret or explain, can erode trust in AI applications. Transparency involves making AI decision-making processes more understandable to users and regulators. Achieving transparency requires designing models and systems that provide insight into their decision-making processes, even in complex deep learning models. Openness and transparency in AI can help users and regulators better understand and trust AI systems. Privacy concerns are another ethical challenge in AI development. AI applications often rely on vast amounts of personal data to function effectively. Ensuring that this data is used responsibly and securely is a significant concern. It involves adhering to data protection regulations, implementing strong encryption, and adopting best practices in data management. Striking a balance between the need for data to train AI systems and safeguarding individual privacy is a delicate ethical challenge. The impact of AI on employment is a pressing issue that demands ethical consideration. AI can automate tasks and jobs, potentially leading to job displacement for many workers. As we navigate this challenge, it is essential to develop policies and strategies that facilitate the transition of workers into new roles and industries. Ethical AI development involves a commitment to minimizing adverse impacts on the workforce and ensuring a just and equitable distribution of the benefits of AI. AI ethics also intersects with issues of autonomy and control. As AI systems become more advanced, they can exert a degree of autonomy that raises questions about who has control over these systems. Striking a balance between the capabilities of AI and the control humans have over them is an ongoing ethical challenge. It is crucial to ensure that humans can override AI decisions when necessary, and that AI operates within defined ethical boundaries. AI development also raises questions about the long-term consequences of AI technology on society. Ethical considerations extend beyond the immediate impact and require us to contemplate the societal implications of widespread AI adoption. In the pursuit of ethical AI development, It is essential to involve diverse perspectives and voices in decision-making. Avoiding the concentration of power and influence in the hands of a few is a core ethical principle. It requires inclusive practices that consider a wide range of perspectives and experiences, reflecting the diversity of society. This inclusivity can help identify and address biases and ethical blind spots, ultimately leading to more equitable AI systems. In addition to inclusivity, collaboration between industry, academia, government, and civil society is pivotal in addressing the multifaceted challenges of AI ethics. Ethical AI development is not the sole responsibility of any one entity, but rather a collective effort. Collaborative initiatives can lead to the development of guidelines, standards, and best practices that ensure AI technologies align with ethical principles and serve the greater good. To navigate the challenges of responsible AI development successfully, it is essential to integrate ethical considerations throughout the AI development lifecycle. This includes ethical considerations in the design, data collection, model training, testing, deployment, and ongoing monitoring and evaluation of AI systems. Embedding ethical practices at every stage helps prevent ethical issues from emerging as unintended consequences and enables the development of AI systems that respect human values and rights. A central concept in the ethical development of AI is the idea of value alignment. This means that AI systems should be designed to align with human values and ethical principles. Achieving value alignment requires a deep understanding of the cultural, social, and ethical contexts in which AI systems operate. It necessitates a commitment to avoiding harmful and biased outcomes and striving for ethical, fair, and responsible AI. One way to achieve value alignment is through the incorporation of ethical principles directly into AI system development. This involves the establishment of ethical guidelines and principles that guide the development process. These guidelines may include principles such as fairness, transparency, accountability, privacy, and the minimization of harm. By integrating these principles into AI development, developers can ensure that the final AI system reflects and upholds these values. To ensure that AI development remains ethical, continuous monitoring and evaluation are imperative. AI systems are not static, but evolve over time, adapting to new data and circumstances. Monitoring ensures that AI systems continue to align with ethical principles and do not deviate from their intended purpose. Regular evaluation allows for the detection and correction of biases, errors, and ethical violations. One effective way to address ethical challenges in AI development is through the establishment of ethical review boards or committees. These bodies can provide oversight and guidance on the ethical dimensions of AI projects. They can review proposed AI applications, assess their potential ethical implications, and make recommendations for ethical improvements. Ethical review boards serve as a valuable mechanism for ensuring that AI development aligns with ethical principles. AI developers and organizations must also be committed to responsible AI deployment. This means ensuring that AI systems are used for their intended purpose and that they do not cause harm or discrimination. Responsible deployment involves ongoing monitoring of AI systems in real-world applications, as well as the development of mechanisms for addressing ethical issues that may arise during use. Moreover, ethical considerations extend to AI research and development beyond applications. Researchers must consider the ethical implications of their work, not only in how their findings are used, but also in the potential consequences of the technology they are advancing. Ethical research practices involve transparency, the consideration of potential ethical issues, and collaboration with experts in ethics and related fields to address these concerns. While the responsibility for ethical AI development lies with various stakeholders, governments, and regulatory bodies play a crucial role in shaping the ethical landscape of AI. Policymakers must develop and implement regulations that ensure the responsible and ethical use of AI. These regulations should be informed by an understanding of the unique challenges posed by AI technology and should prioritize fairness, accountability, transparency, and privacy. Regulations should also promote transparency in AI development, requiring organizations to disclose how their AI systems make decisions and the data sources they rely on. Additionally, Regulations can establish standards for ethical AI testing and evaluation to ensure that AI systems meet ethical criteria before deployment. To address the ethical challenges in AI development, there is a need for international collaboration and standards. Ethical considerations transcend borders, and the development of AI should be guided by a shared global framework of values and principles. International collaboration can help ensure that AI technologies are developed in a way that respects the ethical principles of fairness, accountability, transparency, and privacy on a global scale. The promotion of AI literacy is another critical aspect of navigating the challenges of responsible AI development. As AI continues to advance, it is essential to educate individuals and organizations about the ethical considerations surrounding AI. This includes understanding the potential biases, risks, and benefits of AI systems, as well as the importance of responsible AI use. AI literacy can empower individuals to make informed decisions about the use of AI technology and hold developers and organizations accountable for ethical breaches. Addressing the challenges of responsible AI development also requires the development of ethical AI toolkits and resources. These resources can provide developers and organizations with practical guidance on incorporating ethical considerations into AI projects. Toolkits may include checklists, best practices, and case studies that help stakeholders navigate ethical challenges effectively. As AI ethics continues to evolve, it is essential to foster a culture of ethics within the AI community. This involves creating environments where ethical discussions and considerations are encouraged and ethical decision-making is prioritized. A culture of ethics can lead to a collective commitment to responsible AI development and a shared understanding of the importance of ethical principles. In conclusion, AI ethics represents a complex and evolving field that addresses the challenges of responsible AI development. These challenges encompass fairness, accountability, transparency, privacy, bias, impact on employment, autonomy, and long-term societal consequences. Navigating these challenges requires a commitment to inclusivity, collaboration, value alignment, ethical guidelines, monitoring and evaluation, responsible deployment, ethical research practices, regulations, international standards, AI literacy, and the development of ethical toolkits. The responsible development of AI technology is not a choice but a moral imperative. It is essential to ensure that AI aligns with human values, respects human rights, and contributes to the betterment of society. The continued advancement of AI technology must be guided by ethical principles to create a future where AI is a force for good, benefiting all of humanity. By recognizing the challenges of AI ethics and actively working to address them, we can shape a future where AI is developed and used responsibly, ethically, and in harmony with our values and aspirations.